How to disable programs running in the background in Windows 11. Some programs running in the background can prevent HP software from loading or installing correctly. To disable programs running in the background, follow these instructions. From the taskbar, search for System Configuration and open it. In the System Configuration window, click the General tab. Select Selective Startup, then uncheck Load Startup Items. Select the Services tab, check the Hide All Microsoft Services checkbox, and then click Disable All. Caution: do not disable any Microsoft services. Click Apply and then click OK. Restart the computer. When Windows restarts, all background programs are now disabled. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.